in the Kia Sportage 2015-2021, when it comes to headlights, there are fuses, there are relays that you can check if some headlight doesn't work, but very often it's something else. So the fuses you may check here. Take this plastic lid out, but the problem is that on the fuse map here you will not find any information. The fuse that the internet says has something to do with the headlights is the row 1 column 2, and it says just module here, so no information. And this is the fuse. This is this fuse, the first row, the second column, 10 amps fuse, and probably it has something to do with the switch that sends the signals to the relays. But I have never seen this fuse go bad. It's probably most likely the problem with the relays or with the headlights bulbs in this car when headlights don't work.